right person.
Percentage of voter turnouts in Bhoi district in the State Legislative Assembly election held today were recorded at 72.17% from all 5 constituencies of Bhoi till 3 p.m. It may be noted that the polling began at 7 a.m. Till filing the reports, the elections were conducted in a smooth manner and no untoward incident occurred as tight security was arranged for the free and fair election. One among the senior voters, Nilo Dakhar, has expressed her joy after casting her vote, and she said that, "I will not waste my vote as my one vote counts." While interacting with media after casting their vote, some candidates from Bhoi district, which include UDP candidate from Nongpo, Meryl Bonds Aim, BJP candidate from Nongpo, Marian Maring, and the TMC candidate from Umroi constituency, has expressed their confidence to win this election.